everyone, welcome back. Thanks for joining in for today's video. So today we're going to be opening up the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now I usually get the regular Ipsy Glam bag, the $12 a month, but this month I decided to go ahead and try the Plus since it seems like the recent unboxings have been really good. So this is $25 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size items, and then you get to choose an item every month too. Now I wasn't able to choose an item this month because by the time I had subscribed, that had already passed that window for it. I also did some add-ons in here, so we can go through that at the end of the video if you wanted to see what I got. So when you open it up, it looks like this. It's pink and it says Discover Yourself, and it has the orange foam. I just love the colors. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out here is the Galactic Skin Glow Duo. And here is the packaging, really pretty. I love the colors. And that's what the product inside looks like. This is valued at $26. All right, so next we have from Wander Beauty. And let's see, this is a brow gel in clear. Oh, and it has a really tiny little wand. I was gonna say, I don't really think I've tried too much from Wander Beauty. I know that they're kind of notorious for being in subscription boxes, but I personally haven't tried too much. You can never have too many clear brow gels, I guess. I always tend to find a use for them. My favorite is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Like that one to me is the best, but I kind of alternate between that one and then the Anastasia one as well. So that one is good too. And let's see, this one is valued at $22. And then the next thing is this, and this is Sugar Rush, and this is from Tarte, and this is the Sugar Coat liquid lipstick. So Sugar Rush is kind of like a sister brand for Tarte. It's kind of made for, I guess, the younger group. I don't really know. But this is in the color Cupcake. Looks like it's gonna be a pretty kind of nude shade. And let's see. And yeah, so there's that. And it's like this velvety matte kind of finish in the packaging. And let's see what it smells like. It does kind of smell a little sweet. It's nothing like overly sweet like you would expect. There's the Doe Fit applicator there. Let's give it a little swatch. Oh yeah, that is definitely a color I will use. So there's that. Let me just try a little bit of this on actually. Let's see. It feels nice. It feels pretty nice. We'll have to see how this sets and dries down and everything like that, but so far that feels pretty good. And this retails for $15. Okay, and then here's the bag for this month, guys. It was kind of like at the bottom of the product, so it wasn't like the first thing that I picked up, but look how cute this bag is. This is literally summer goals in a bag. I love the blue to yellow ombre, and then the little tassel there. That is just super cute. And then the inside is yellow, and it has little, I don't know, little silver, almost looks like confetti sparkle inside. I'm actually going to gift this to my stepdaughter. These are, when I think of her, these are the colors, a tealy bluey color, and then bright yellows, just really happy, fun kind of colors. So I'm sure she'll find a use for it. It's really cute, and hopefully she'll love it. Alrighty, and then now we have a brush set. This is MOTD. It looks like an eye brush set. So a 5-piece eye brush set. So let's take a look here. You guys know how I feel about brushes. I love brushes. Okay, so here are the brushes. So a lot of precision kind of brushes, more of the shorter end kind of brushes. So you can use these for anything. Most of these would be really good for smoking out the lower lash line. You could kind of use this to pack on color on the lid or to carve out the brow. This one you could use for the brow itself, a good little angled brush. So yeah, these are good. They're just little, precision eye brushes by MOTD. And these retail for $34. So not bad. Alrighty, and then the last thing that came in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a palette from Colored Rain, and this is the Vineyard Soiree eyeshadow palette. And I did get a sneak peek of this online, so I kind of have an idea of what the colors look like. but of course seeing it in person is totally different usually. So let's see. Here's the outside packaging, just kind of like a sleek, simple white packaging with gold letters. And then here are the colors. So more of your cool tone kind of taupes with some purples in there. Really, really pretty. Of course, you do get a mirror here. Let's see some of these like shimmers. Let's swatch this one and then this one. And then we'll do like this matte right there. So there are the colors right there, guys. We'll have to see how it performs on the eyes though. You never know, a swatch is just a swatch. Okay, and so this retails for $22. So all in all, I really enjoyed my first Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I definitely think I got my value out of it. Really quickly, I'm gonna go over the add-ons that I got. So I have from Nomad Cosmetics, the Sydney Bathers. This is like their bronzer collection. I got the Manly Beach bronzer in one of my Ipsy Glam bags, just like the regular one, and just like was totally obsessed with the formula. This one right here, the Manly Beach. So I'm running pretty low on it. Like I've hit pan. Of course they're small sizes, but so you have a matte bronzer and then like a highlighter and then some shimmery bronzers, you know, glowy kind of powders there. It does come with a really decent sized mirror. So I did want to add that on because I knew that I loved the Nomad Cosmetics formula anyway. All right, and then another thing that I went ahead and picked up was the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Foundation, this teeny tiny little guy right here. I'm always on the hunt for like a really good sheer kind of glowy foundation for days where I just don't want to wear a lot. So I thought that I would go ahead and pick it up. This was in the fair light shade, which I think will fit me, and if not, will definitely be a good fit for me when I'm self-tanned. And then lastly, I got this really pretty pink sparkly brush from SLS Miss Glam. It has the little pink rhinestones there as they normally do, but the handle was just too cute to pass up. It is like a nice little fluffy tapered brush there. So I thought this would be great for highlighter, maybe even eyeshadow. I don't know, I'll find a use for it, but I just thought it was super, super cute. So that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Again, I thought that this month was really, really good. I'm glad that I went ahead and signed up. Do you get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? Do you get just the regular? Do you get the ultimate? Let me know down below what you think, and also let me know how your day is going, how your week has been, and then how your Mother's Day weekend was too. So until next time, bye everyone.